Hi, everyone. In this session, we're going to go over how to manage our models, make updates, edits, change positions, percentages, things of that nature. To do that, we can go to our Manage tab under Models, select Advisor Models. Again, here are all of our models that we've created. A couple things we can do from here. We can conduct bulk model updates within a singular program, meaning if we've made models for advisor as financial consultant, we can select all of the programs under advisor as financial consultant and conduct bulk model updates by doing that. But if we just want to do a couple, we can do as many as we like. So if we want to do a couple, we can select the models that we want to make changes to. Once we've done that, we can click our actions button, and our actions button will let us bulk model update. So, for example, these two models currently hold Apple. So, if we want to replace Apple, we can type in the ticker. If you don't know the ticker, you can come into the search section and search. But since we know the ticker, we can just input it there. Let's say we want to swap out 50% of our Apple position in each of those models. So we want to take out 50%. We want to add Microsoft in its place. So 50% now will be allocated to Microsoft across the two models that we selected to bulk model update. Here you can see additional options where you can add other securities, swap out percentages as well. But for this example, we can save and continue. Next, it'll take us to our bulk model update summary. So notice here are our models, test ABC, Apple. Here's our existing target. We held 35% of Apple within the model. We wanted to swap it out for 50% to be in Microsoft. So here's our new target, and it's split 50-50 now, 17.5% for both of those. And the same for our other model that we selected, test AFC. Same thing here. Our existing target was 25%. We want 50% of Microsoft across the entire update. So now we can see it's evenly allocated. To continue, we can click on our actions button. We can confirm those model updates, or if we are contemplating or making more changes, we can change the model, or we can save the model updates as a draft. Or if you think you've made a mistake, you can cancel these model updates and start over. But let's say we want to confirm model updates. Here, it'll give you a disclosure letting you know changes will be applied to the model positions and corresponding model change. If any of the affected models has a pending draft version, it will be removed. So you can confirm your model updates here. And next, you'll see a job status. So job status completed. And it lets you know total number of models that you selected and how many of those models were successfully updated. And it'll also let you know if there were any errors during that process. So if we want to take a look, we can click into one of these. So test ABC, we click into the positions tab. Here it is. Here's our changes: 17.5% Apple, 17.5% Microsoft. But you can also make changes from the positions tab itself. So if you wanted to just work within one individual model, we can stay here in ABC. Let's say we want to edit. Say if we want to take a little bit out of AT&T. Let's say we want to bring this to 40. Bring this to 40. Let's say we want to add another security to our model. We can add our buffer security. Here's our buffer ETF. Yes, it'll let you know you need to enter your target percentage. We can add that 5% back that we took from AT&T. And we can see our draft assess risk. Here we can see our draft asset allocation. Notice that we now have a hedge equity in the model. So we can save and activate this. Oh, yes, let's enter our drift. We can save and activate. And here's our updated model. You can also see any corporate actions that you need to address. You can also simulate different trade options as well. But in the gist, that is how you make changes to your advisor model. Thank you.